We've got a couple of VIPs joining us from Barton. We've got Don, Director of Patient Safety, and Jeff, Director of Pharmacy. Guys, thanks for coming in and joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
Don, first question, World Patient Safety Day coming up. What's involved?
Yeah, World Patient Safety Day is on Saturday, September 17th, and it is a day designated by the World Health Organization to really heighten awareness for our healthcare team members, our patients, our family members, our community members, and most importantly, our policymakers. What the World Health Organization asks is that they dedicate themselves to patient safety on this day.
All right, so it's an important day. Who's involved?
Well, at Barton Health, everybody's involved in patient safety. It's one of our core values. Whenever you enter one of our Barton Health facilities, you will see our team members taking many steps to ensure your safety. So we've got team members at the front of the line following systems and processes, and team members behind the scenes that are double and triple checking things to make sure you are receiving the right care at the right time.
Jeff, there's a focus this year, right? Medication without harm?
Yep, that's
What's
correct.
involved there?
So this year the WHO's really decided to focus on preventable medication errors. And the reason for that is that every year in the United States, there are between 7,000 and 9,000 deaths related to a preventable medication error. So we really take that very seriously at Barton, and we really look at it as a continuum of care. Everyone who's both in the healthcare system and just a user of the healthcare system really does play a critical role in patient safety. So there's a few things that you can do as a patient to make sure that you're keeping yourself safe, and it really applies to yourself and the family as well. Number one is just knowing the names of the medications that you take and being aware of what you take them for. Number two is talking to your healthcare providers. It's really important to engage and communicate with your provider and with your pharmacist as well. And what we find is that people have a tendency to leave out things. Medications that are over the counters, supplements, herbal products, and those really do play a critical role. So it's important to be honest and upfront and to share all of that information. Lastly, it's important to communicate if you're having any side effects or unwanted outcomes from your medications, and to talk to your provider before stopping any medications. A lot of times people are on them for something that's really important, right, and you might not realize that.
Don, we're almost out of time, but how do you learn more about the safety protocols and the A rating that Barton has?
Yes. So for more information about Barton Health and our quality and safety programs, you can go to www.bartonhealth.org/quality.
I really appreciate you guys coming in. It sounds like a great event, and it's really great that Barton, our partner here in this community, is helping disseminate this information.
We're happy to be here.
Absolutely.
All right, throw it back to the studio.